Hello friends, welcome in this YouTube channel. Keep practicing, success आपका ही है. So let's start these MCQs. The first question, friends, if the two substances A and B have mole fractions in the ratio 1:2 and Pa naught and Pb naughts are in the ratio 2:1, then the mole fractions of B in vapor is. So we have to find out mole fractions of B. That means this is a formula. That means here Pb divided by P total is total vapor pressure of the solutions, and we have to place these values from the given informations. So here Pa, Xa, the two substances A and B, their mole fraction is given. So here we'll write Xa as to Xb ratio is given as here 1 by 2, and from this we can write the mole fractions of B is nothing but 2 times Xa. But if the Xa is nothing but X, then this Xb is equals to 2x. Now the another information is given as a Pa naught divided by Pb naught, and the ratio is given as a 2:1. Therefore, we can write this as a Pb is here 2 times Pb is equals to Pa naught, and if Pa naught is equals to P, then we'll write the ratio of this is here Pb naught is equals to 1 by 2, means we can write Pa. Instead of A, we have to write only P, because here Pa naught is nothing but P, so we'll get this ratio. Now these values we have to place here, but here P total we have to find out. So P total is equals to Pa naught into Xa plus Pb naught into Xb. So here this Pa naught is here. So Pa naught is nothing but P into Xa is nothing but X plus Pb naught is nothing but P by 2 into Xb is nothing but 2x. So this 2 get cancelled and we'll get 2px is the values of total. And you know that the Pb is here given. This Pb is nothing but this ratio is Pb, and their answer is Px. So we'll write here Px divided by their total pressure, total partial pressure is 2px. So we'll get px get cancelled out, and here we'll get 1 by 2. That means our answer becomes 0.5. So this is our answer. So option number first is our correct options. Mole fractions of B in the vapor is. This is the mole fraction of B. Now friends, moving to the next question. Which of the following equimolar solutions will have lowest vapor pressure if all of these are prepared in the same solvent? If all these are prepared in same solvent, that means we have to find out here the I values. I values of NaCl of this. I values of NaCl is 2. Then calcium chloride, the I values is 3. Then the calcium C3PO4 bracket thrice, their I values is 5, and urea, their I values is equals to 1. So friends, if the concentration of the solution is high, if concentration is high, then the vapor pressure is low and boiling point is high. And out of these four, this calcium phosphate has a highest concentration in this out of this all, and that's why our C is our correct options. C is our correct options. Why? Because their concentration is high. So that's why C is our correct options. Now the next questions is next questions. In these questions, This 200 ml of 0.1 molar solutions of A is mixed with 500 ml of 0.2 molar solutions of B. Hence, osmotic pressure of the solutions would be, osmotic pressure means pi is equals to CRT. इसमें हमें values put up करना है. ये R का values आता है 0.082 and temperature is given as a 300. And here C we have to find out. So C, how to find out resultant concentration of this mixture? We have to find out in terms of molarity. So here m1 v1 plus m2 v2 divided by v1 plus v2, ये फॉर्मूला यूज करके हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. here 0.1 into 200 plus here 0.2 into 500 divided by 200 plus 500. so हमें आंसर आएगा here 20 plus 100 divided by here 700. that means 120 divided by 700. ये जीरो जीरो कैंसिल होता है तो हमें यहाँ पे मिलेगा आंसर 12 डिवाइडेड बाय 7 इंटू 10 लिखता हूँ मैं यहाँ पे, ऊपर 1 रहेगा तो हमें मिलेगा यहाँ पे 7 1 जा 7 और यहाँ 7.71 यहाँ पे आएगा. ये ऊपर जाने के बाद ये 0.171 ये हमें आंसर मिल गया. तो ये आंसर यहाँ पे प्लेस करना है 0.171 और हम इसका कैलकुलेशन करते हैं तो कितना आएगा 171 इंटू 10⁻³ लिखता हूँ इंटू 82 इंटू 10 यहाँ पे भी -3 लिखता हूँ इंटू 3 इंटू 10 यहाँ पे मैं 2 लिखता हूँ. तो यहाँ 6 हो जाएगा, ये 2 जाएंगे तो इसका हमें इंटू 10⁻⁴ आएगा. और इसका जो हम कैलकुलेशन करते हैं तो 8 2 इंटू 3 सो यहाँ पे 6 और 8 3 2 4 6 आएगा. और इसका हम 171 से मल्टीप्लिकेशन करते हैं तो ये मल्टीप्लिकेशन करने के बाद जो हमें यहाँ पे आंसर आएगा वो आंसर आएगा दैट मीन्स हियर 4.2066 ये आंसर आएगा. मतलब ये 10⁻⁴ ये 4 पॉइंट के बाद हम देते हैं तो हमें ये आंसर मिलेगा. मतलब ये हमारा आंसर होगा. सो फ्रॉम दिस ऑप्शंस the options our second answer is correct answer. so friends ये कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए जो भी टाइम लगता है इसमें बहुत कम टाइम लगेगा, फिर भी आपको पूरा कैलकुलेशन करना है और कैलकुलेशंस करने के बाद ही आपको आंसर लिखना है. तो ये एटमॉस्फेयर में आंसर आएगा. so this is our correct options. option number second is our answer. now the next question. This is the next question. In these questions, the 0.1 molar NaCl is given and 0.1 molar urea is given. Okay, so here I values of this is 2, here I values is 1, but in the solution the concentration of this NaCl will be increases compared to this urea, and therefore out of this the first option is not correct. So NaCl, second option is NaCl solutions will have higher boiling points than the urea is correct options because concentration of this NaCl in solutions will be increases, and that's why their boiling point is also increases compared to urea solutions. Now, which of the following is a colligative property? Friends, the change in delta G values is not a colligative. Vapor pressure is also not a colligative property. Enthalpy of vaporization is also not a colligative property. Osmotic pressure is a colligative property. So in this way, friends, please keep practice से ही आपको क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करने में बहुत सारी परेशानी का सामना नहीं करना पड़ेगा. सो कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, सक्सेस आपका ही है. सो थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.